Hi, my name is Amy Gobea, Service Manager here at Baker Nissan. Our service department is here to help with any routine maintenance, repairs, or anything that your vehicle might need to help it keep it running at its best. Our certified technicians are factory trained with the latest technology to ensure quality care every single time you visit. While we work on your vehicle, relax in our waiting area. We offer free refreshments, premium Wi-Fi, and even a shuttle service if you want to go ahead and head out while we work on your vehicle. Scheduling your next service appointment is easy, whether online, mobile app, or a quick phone call away. Our service team is ready to take great care of you. Again, congratulations on your new purchase and welcome to the Baker Nissan family.